Welcome to our All Access vlog. My name is Darren and today we have the Bentley Continental GT. Let's get started. Redefining a generation of two-door luxury grand tourers, the Continental GT with its 6-liter twin-turbocharged W12 engine made a powerful impact with its sheer presence and performance. Now over a decade of use, this Bentley is in need of some restorative and detailing work to turn back time. This Bentley Continental GT was brought in for our Vehicle Reconditioning Program. Our client had very specific requirements to preserve the paintwork, completely restored a heavily worn fine leather upholstery which comes in a shade of linen, and a comprehensive detailing program that would revive the coachwork, including all the chrome embellishments and the prominent front grille. For that request, our signature detailing program was the perfect fit. With a turnaround time of over 100 man-hours, Signature covers an extensive array of detailing finishes for both the interior and the exterior. Paired with our popular leathery upholstery restoration program, the linen-colored fine leather was transformed over a 3-week period. We began with our signature detailing program, which starts from the exterior that undergoes a multi-stage paintwork correction and refinement process. All previously oxidized and dull paintwork caused by holograms, swirls, and scratches were meticulously brought back to life. Paint shrinkage was corrected to bring back clarity to the paintwork. Once the paintwork was revived for maximum gloss and depth, our hybrid ceramic coating system was applied and cured via shortwave infrared lamps. This ensures the coating system achieves a complete cross-linking process. The two-piece forged polished wheels were curbed and damaged, so we machined the edges and disassembled the two-piece for restorative works. They were then polished to an extremely high level of shine and treated to our hybrid ceramic coating for ease of maintenance. The coachwork detailing then began using a combination of -78° dry ice pellets to remove oxidized, rusted and stained contaminants, followed with steam cleaning, and finally manual detailing work to revive the undercarriage, engine, wheel wells, suspensions, and brake systems. Dry ice blasting ensures a highly efficient contaminant removal process but is safe for the intended surfaces. The dry ice pellets produces a triple-stage chain of events. The first is thermal shock, which results in rapid freezing of the surface contaminants. The second is impact shock, where the pellets constantly bombard the targeted surface at a high rate of speed, causing a loss of bonding adhesion. The third and final stage is expansion shock, similar to a micro-explosion where the instant expansion of gas due to the rapid heat transfer and vaporization of the dry ice pellets eliminates the contaminants that have been displaced. After the leather upholstery was restored with an extensive top coat repair, the interior is put through our exhaustive 5-stage leather feed system, which is designed to clean, condition, and protect the leather against premature wear in our tropical weather. This softens the leather to touch without any shine, allowing you to experience the luxuriant finish of fine hide. Whether you're looking to refresh your favorite car or just picked up a pre-owned one, we have just the right solution for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Till next time, goodbye.